Time for a super simple ice cream recipe using my favourite fruit, and it's so quick and easy to throw together, no messing about, no complicated machines, just a bit of mixing and a bit of freezing. Let's make this beautiful banana ice cream on the One Pot Chef. First things first, into a large mixing bowl I've got some whipping cream, that's any cream suitable for whipping. I've got 600 millilitres, which is about 2.5 cups, or if I've got my conversion right, about 20 fluid ounces. Don't quote me on that one, but check it just in case. But basically all we're going to do is, using an electric hand mixer, we're just going to beat the cream until we get nice soft peaks. Lovely, and as you can see, that's started to increase in volume. We've beaten a bit of air into it, which increases the volume and gives us more ice cream. Next, I'm adding in a 400 gram can of sweetened condensed milk. This helps to give the ice cream a bit of body while also giving it a bit more creaminess and sweetness. A teaspoon of vanilla extract. This helps to balance out the sweetness of the condensed milk and of course our bananas, which we'll be adding in a second. And it wouldn't be banana ice cream without bananas. I've got 2 large bananas which I have mashed up nice and fine so there's not too many big lumps. And I recommend using some really ripe bananas, because the riper the banana, the stronger the flavour, the more intense the smell and taste. So we're just going to add the bananas in there too. And all we're going to do is we're just going to beat this again until everything is combined and smooth. And look how thick and gorgeous that is. Yum. I'm going to carefully spoon our cream mixture into a freezer-safe container, something with a lid if possible. If you don't have a container with a lid, you can just cover this with a little bit of plastic kitchen wrap. Try to be careful when spooning the mixture into the container, because we've gone to the effort of beating all that lovely air into the cream mixture. We don't want to knock it all out, otherwise you'll end up with less ice cream. And all that's left to do is to pop the lid on and pop this into the freezer to chill. If you put it in for about 4 hours, it'll be semi-frozen, sort of soft serve consistency. If you want it a little firmer so you can scoop it, I recommend at least 6 hours. While our ice cream is chilling in the freezer, I thought I'd take this opportunity to remind you to check out my social media: Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Links in the video description underneath this video on YouTube. And speaking of YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button and that little notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any of my new videos. A few hours later and our ice cream is frozen. Ooh, you can smell the banana already. Alright, let's have a scoop. Oh wow, look at that. Beautiful. And here we have our beautiful completed banana ice cream. Super simple to make, absolutely gorgeous. The smell is incredible. I cannot wait to dive in and have a taste. Absolutely beautiful. It's very hot here today, so it's starting to melt, so better dive in and have a taste. Mmm. Oh wow. Better double check this one. It's so banana-y. It's not just the smell, you've got the taste, and you've got those lovely little bits of banana all through it. It's really rich, it's really creamy, very sweet, but I guarantee you're going to absolutely adore this. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Check out my other videos at OnePotChefShow.com. And until next time, see you later. A few little things about homemade ice cream that is very important to remember. First things first, because it doesn't have any kind of preservatives in it, it's not like store-bought ice cream, so you need to keep it in the freezer and eat it within 3 months. It usually has a longer shelf life if you buy it from the shops, but that's because it's got different additives to stop it from going off too quickly. Also, some people often find their homemade ice cream goes a bit hard if it's kept in the freezer for a long time. Easiest way to combat this is to simply take the ice cream out 5 to 10 minutes before you're planning to use it, and it will soften up, ready to scoop.